If you're looking to make caramel apples, this is the channel for you. Hi, my name is Chef Ed, and I've been a professional chef for over 10 years, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks I've learned on how to make caramel apples. First, what you'll need is an apple. You need a little bit of lemon juice, about a tablespoon. You'll need heavy cream, a quarter of a cup. You'll need a cup of sugar. You'll need a quarter cup of water to make our caramel sauce. Now, first, what we are going to do is we are going to peel our apple. Now, I like to make mine in apple slices. It makes it a lot easier to eat. So, and I'll show you the reason why we have the lemon juice soon. So, we are going to peel our apple. Okay, get rid of that. We are going to cut it into slices. Rid of. Now, our slices are about a ½ inch thick. You don't want it too thin. Okay, now we're going to take a bowl. We're going to put our apple slices in it. Now we are going to add our lemon juice. Now, just a little bit of lemon juice goes a long way. The reason why we're doing this is so our apples don't get oxidized and get brown. Okay. Okay, we are going to make our caramel sauce, and we're going to add our sugar to the pan. We're going to add our water to our sugar. And we are going to mix our sugar so it dissolves. Okay, while our caramel sauce is cooking, I like to add chocolate chips and make a chocolate sauce. So I have a pot over there on boiling water. I have a cup of chocolate chips that I have in a bowl, and I'm just going to add on top just to make a double boiler to melt our chocolate. So our sugar has dissolved, and now what we are going to do is just cook it a little bit longer. So once it comes to a blonde color, that's when we will add our heavy cream to cool it off and take it off the heat. But we still have a little ways to go. Now you want to gradually stir it. So what's happening now is our water is evaporating, and now you're just having the sugar actually caramelize. So right now our caramel sauce is getting close. It could go from right to wrong real quick. So once it gets to a blonde color, that's when you want to take it off the heat, and then you want to add your heavy cream to it. So it's getting there. It's getting close. So you don't want to burn it. So at this point, you really want to start mixing it. It's getting there. It's getting to that blonde color I'm looking for. Okay. Now it's time to take it off the heat. So you have this blonde color. Now it's still cooking right now. in the pot. So you want to add your heavy cream. Now this is gonna get a little wild, so you want to really stir. Watch out for that steam. Okay, let's get a whisk. And now we have our caramel sauce. Okay, so we're going to take our caramel sauce. We are going to transfer it into another bowl. Now we're going to take our apples. This is a good part. And we're going to dip them into our caramel sauce, like so. Now place them on the parchment paper. So these are going to be easy to pick up and bite as like a little appetizer snack. Okay, now we have our melted chocolate and we are going to drizzle it right onto our caramel apples. Now when you drizzle it, you can make a fancy design if you like. Remember, a little bit on the spoon goes a long way. Now what you want to do is cool this off in your refrigerator for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you take it off the parchment and put on a plate to present. Alrighty, so our caramel apples have cooled off, so I'm gonna transfer them over to our plate. Okay, and here's my caramel apples. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe. And also, it's your turn. Thank you for watching.